Moreton Island, one of Australia's most stunning destinations and third largest sand island in the world. In this two-part episode, we spend 5 days on the island. Join us as we do Moreton Island for the first time. So for the next 5 days, we're going to be driving around the island, doing a bit of adventuring, and seeing everything that the island has to offer. So stay tuned. We started our journey north from the central coast of New South Wales. Thankfully, the only issue with the car on the way up was a cooked up wheel arch. And while at a rest stop along the way, we made a friend. As we came into the Gold Coast, we hit some pretty bad traffic, but at least we had a nice sunset to watch. We had some dinner at the pub and prepared for our journey ahead. We set up camp at Combieuro Point, then headed down for a swim. As the afternoon set in, we decided to go for a drive all the way up to North Point at the top of the island. see it's like really far on low tide. Pretty cool. Oh, this is found some bush, see, island tucker.
Wait, you're too close.
Oh, sorry. I don't know what it's called, but this little thing here, and there's heaps of plants around, especially down in New South Wales. When they're in fruit, they have a little purple flower like that. There's that little purple flower down there, looks like that. And on another bit, they'll have something like this. Inside this nice fruity thing. What does it smell like, Joe?
It smells a bit like dragon fruit.
Yeah, it does. It smells like some kind of melony thing. So you can see if you open it up. You can eat this outside as well, but it's just like more rubbery. But if you open it up, oh, that juiciness. You can eat this little bulby thing. It's like a little piece of fruit. It tastes like a softer version of like rock melon. So we hightailed it back to camp just in time for the sunset. Just cooking dinner. We've got some butter chicken happening. Gonna grill some garlic naan to go with our curry. Got the 23-0 fire stand here. Christmas prezi. I think it's my first time using it actually. Or maybe I've used it once before. Anyways, gonna grill the garlic naan over our little fire. It's probably gonna burn if I'm not careful. So those flames are looking pretty good. So, day 2, just leaving camp at Subaru Point. I still don't know how to say that. And we're gonna head down to Tangalooma Rex. It's nice and sunny. We're gonna have a snorkel at the Rex this morning while the tide's low. And then I think it's high tide at like 2 o'clock. So then we'll head down today to the gutter bar while we're put it into low. Head to the gutter bar while we're still on the western side of the island. But then we're going to be on the North Point and the other side of the island. So we'll try and do everything that we're keen to do on the western side today, and maybe tomorrow a bit before we leave. But yeah, thought we'd head down to Tangalooma in the gutter bar today while we're still here and while the tide's low. ended up not going down to the gutter bar. We just stayed up at Comburo Point after going snorkeling at the wrecks. Because of the tides, we thought we're better off just hanging out up here all afternoon, having a cruisy arvo, and then watching the sunset and having a cheese board, which I'll show you here. I'll put it in here. And then we might go down tomorrow, go exploring more around. But for now, we're just going to sit on the beach and relax and eat some snacks and watch the sunset over the ocean. And as the sun went down, we got a nice little surprise that we weren't expecting. Up next, part 2. We made our way south down to Coringal and checked out the world famous gutter bar. Then we tackled the rugged eastern side of the island, finding some old World War II bunkers and exploring what the eastern side of the island had to offer. Stay tuned on All Gear, No Idea.